Hey everybody, welcome over from Doodlebug Design Blog. Today I am sharing this cute little paper pieced mini gingerbread house album. And I have paper pieced the front cover and then added some pages to the back. And here's what I'll look through all of this. Looks like I took the 6x6 paper pad papers, die cut those, and also die cut a piece of heavy white cardstock and then mounted the pattern paper to that just for extra sturdiness. And then as you can see, I added different tags and stickers and all kinds of fun little goodies on there, and then mounted it to the one of the large tree shaped die cuts. And you can see all the different things I did to the front cover. Of course, I stamped that image several times using the Vision of Sugar Plums stamp and die set. So I stamped it onto the wood grain paper and then added all of the other elements to the front of that. And it's so small that I wanted it to go inside of a little gift bag. So I simply made a template, just a triangular template, because I thought it would really mimic a tree shape, and made a little gift bag for that. So the first thing I did, and the template measures 6x6x6. So all of the sides are 6 inches long. And then I just traced that onto the white cardstock and then cut out with my scissors. And I'm going to repeat this process another time. So I'll have a front and back cover for the little gift bag. Okay, there I have my two shapes. They're ready to go, and we will cover those with a pattern paper. The next thing is determining the thickness of the sidewalls of the little gift bag. And the book is about 1 inch in depth, so I wanted to give a little bit of wiggle room to get that out. So with the remaining cardstock, I just cut some 2-inch strips from that leftover cardstock. I'll need a 6-inch piece for the bottom, and then the sides I determined I wanted those to be 3.5 inches tall and also 2 inches wide. So now I'm just scoring each edge in at 1/4 inch. So I have 2 flaps that are 1/4 inch. Then that makes my inner part of the actual wall 1.5 inches thick. And I find that to fold the sides in of this really thick paper, that it helps to kind of make little cut marks into the paper. It does help to fold that up a little bit easier and to give it a good crease. And then there are my 2 3.5 inch strips, and I'm going to repeat that and score in at 1/4 inch. And then fold those edges up again. Those are the side walls of the bag. And then next I'm going to take my hot glue and add that 6-inch little C bracket. That's what I like to call these, or just little C brackets. And I'm going to attach that to the back side and bottom of the triangle. And then I'm going to go back and add the walls to that. And here's the second piece. And of course, if you don't have hot glue, you can just use regular glue or adhesive tape, just whatever you have. And then lastly, I will place that white piece on top and then come back and cover that with some pattern paper. And that is pretty much it. I'm just making sure that my book will slide down inside of it. And that's about it. And I'll follow up with some pictures, so enjoy taking a look. And thanks for joining.